Okay, and the weather has felt a little bit of the holiday season, a little Christmassy the last few days if you're into that chilly thing. Me personally, I like it in the mid-70s or around 80. That's a good Christmas for me. Outside right now, we're sitting at 49 degrees. We are starting to see the clouds break a little bit, and that's good news. This is what it looked like this afternoon around Rockport. You can see most of the day we spent it in that gray kind of that blanket looking thing that was a cloud that stayed over us all day just until about an hour ago, and then it broke on out and we're starting to see that. So that's good news there, and I think for the rest of this evening we'll see fair to partly cloudy skies. So again, that trend is going to continue. 40s now and a few 50s mix. So the temperatures, as soon as you start to see the skies clear, the temperatures are going to be falling off. If this would have happened this afternoon, we would have seen the temperatures up a little bit more as well. So that blanket of cloud does exactly what it's supposed to do, just like a blanket that we use at night. Keeps us warm and it keeps the temperature steady. Now the winds have lightened up considerably, now running 3, 4, 5 miles an hour in a lot of spots, and that trend is going to continue as well. The big picture on what's happening, you see a few little showers off the coast there near Brownsville, but for us the clouds are starting to break here, and then you've got another system that's developing. There's actually a series of them, and I'll show you that in just a second, and that series of systems is going to continue to move towards us as we go through the next 7 days, but the only one that really is going to affect us is going to be the one that we're going to get like Monday night, early Tuesday. That's the one that's got a little bit of a punch to it. Not as strong as this one, but it will knock temperatures down for at least a day or two. But if we close in, you can see again those thinning clouds, and they're finally making their way across Corpus Christi and the coastal bend there, now past Alice, now past Beeville. Skies have cleared in Victoria. I just showed you Rockport, they've done that as well, and that's going to continue. So the big story is going to be not so much the cold that we're going to see overnight with temperatures still in the middle 40s, but the fact that they're going to warm up. We're going to see a warming trend. It's going to start tomorrow. It's going to continue into Friday. And then by this weekend, we're going to be around 80 degrees. So just in time for the weekend, just in time so we can go out and do a little fishing or some shopping. A lot of folks want to get out and do some last minute Christmas shopping, me included. And if you look at what's going on, we have, again, the northern part of the country is just getting crushed with ice and sleet and snow there now across the lakes, working to the northeast. And then the system that just passed us is now in the Gulf and extending all the way from Atlanta down towards Miami. That's rain there. Back to the north, though, there's another system or two that's working its way in. We're in a pattern right now where we're seeing a system moving in from the west every 3 to 4 days. So one right after another tracks in. It picks up that Canadian air, sometimes even stronger air, and then pushes it on in across the northern part of the country. For us, though, we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good through the rest of this week, into this weekend. And then as we get into next week, that storm system that's way out there now will start to move on in, and that'll be our next storm system, our next weather maker of sorts. As far as what's going on with your storm tracker, we're looking for the showers to stay to the southeast. By tonight through midnight and into tomorrow, we're going to see the temperatures into the mid-40s, and then highs tomorrow to about 66. That's comfortable, and I'll take that, but it gets better than that. Overnight lows down to 45 again. Jacket, sweater early on in the day, and watch out for your little pets there as well. And then as we go through the afternoon, we're talking to mid-60s. So let's talk about your 7-day forecast then. And your 7-day forecast is being brought to you by AutoNation. And AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase the vehicle from them. So shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So let's start with tonight. Down to 45, one more chilly night. And then we're going to start to see those temperatures climb. We will see some clouds tomorrow, though, although I don't think we see any rain. But some peaks of some blue mixed in. By Friday, by Saturday, it's 70s to near 80 degrees. The weekend looks outstanding. Does start to get a little breezy by Sunday afternoon, but it'll be a warm wind. And then there's that Monday night cold front. 20% chance of some showers on both of those days, and temperatures dropping a little bit and then recovering by the end of this coming week.